time the people turn to the Jamaica Labour Party for progress, the People's National Party take bad mind and corra and try and stop it. In 1976, the People's National Party declared a state of emergency and locked up hundreds of labor rights and raped the democracy of this country. And they have a nerve to come and talk to you about democracy. In 1990, when the country was going on quite fine, Mr. Patterson come with Finsack and mash up Jamaica again. Every time the Jamaica Labour Party begin to make the country progress, them take bad mind and corra and try and mash it up. But it will not work. They took Andrew Holness to court about national identity card. For people can use one card to go to the bank and do them business. And then take the government to court over it. Now we are trying to make a parish to improve the lot of the people of Portmore, and them end up in a courthouse. Every time the government, the Jamaica Labour Party government seek progress of the country, them take bad mind and corra and try and mash it up. But it will not work. Mr. Chairman.